After 10th grade, most students automatically default to spending 2 more years in 11th and 12th grade without a concrete plan. Sitting in a general education classroom for 2 years often leaves you with a piece of paper but zero practical skills that employers are actually willing to pay for. The 2026 ITI admission cycle offers a direct alternative to bypass that waiting period and start building a highly employable profile immediately. Real job security doesn't come from accumulating standard academic years. It comes from acquiring a specialized trade right now. What separates an ITI graduate from a standard diploma holder is what the industry calls hunar, practical hands-on capability. You learn how to actually build, operate, and fix things. Take the electrician trade. Every major factory, hospital, and infrastructure project requires certified professionals who can safely map and manage complex electrical grids. In the fitter and mechanical tracks, you move into heavy manufacturing. You are the operator putting heavy machinery together to exacting industrial tolerances. These trades form the mechanical backbone of modern industry, making certified ITI operators essential to any live production line. That hands-on expertise creates a direct pipeline to massive government sectors that actively bypass university graduates to hire ITI specialists. The Indian Railways operates on ITI talent. They recruit certified technicians and assistant loco pilots to man operating consoles and keep the national network moving. The demand scales to the highest levels of national aerospace. ISRO relies heavily on these mechanical and electrical traits to maintain their launch vehicles. Similarly, the Defense Research and Development Organization recruits ITI graduates to prototype, build, and maintain advanced weapon systems for the military. Completing this training grants you specialized entry into the nation's most respected engineering, defense, and research institutions. If you prefer to teach, completing the CITS course qualifies you to return to an ITI as an instructor, training the next generation of technicians. In the corporate sector, major industrial players like BHEL and regional metro rail networks hire aggressively from this specific talent pool. Because you own the hard skills, you possess the immediate capability to open your own independent workshop and run a profitable business on your terms. Whether it's elite government security, private sector salaries, or pure entrepreneurship, an ITI certificate gives you the leverage to choose your working environment. The application window for the 2026 session is open right now, and you need to prepare your paperwork. You need exactly 4 items to process your admission: your 10th grade mark sheet, your ADHAR card, a valid domicile and caste certificate, and a passport photo with an active mobile number. Take those documents to your nearest E-Mitra center today, or log directly into the SSO Portal to submit your application online. You must complete this process before July 31st, 2026. That deadline is absolute. Stop waiting through years of generic schooling. Secure a highly employable skill today and take control of your career.